Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here with the new Natasha Denona, the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I was very excited for this palette. It's supposed to be inspired by her Diamond and Blush palette, which I own. And for a long time, I did not like this palette. I even did a video when I did products that I bought but don't use. And this was one of the products in that video. But over the last few months, I've come to really love this palette. This is what it looks like. And I've been loving this, the cream blush right here, and then topping it with the powder blush on the bottom. Then I've been using this amazing diamond powder. I was wearing it in my last video when I reviewed the Tarte Shape Face Tape Foundation. But although I don't like a bright cheek, I always wanted this one to be a little darker. So when I saw this palette came out and I saw these amazing colors, I was like so intrigued. How pretty is this? So beautiful. But when I was looking at reviews, I haven't seen it on dark skin. Like I haven't seen anybody with my complexion try it on or wear it or anything like that. So I was figuring, I knew I was gonna buy it. I'm gonna do a review just in case you're like my complexion. I'm NC50 MAC and you're interested in this palette, so you get an idea what it looks like on dark skin. So we have 4 shades in here. There are 2 cream blushes on top, and we have the powder on the bottom. As usual, there's a little plastic covering the cream products, so it'll keep separate from the powder products, which I really appreciate. It has a mirror that I've messed up with my fingers. Now this retails for $55, and Natasha Denona, she's like a luxe brand, but if you do the math, it's like 13 something per product, so I don't think that's that bad. So for the cream blushes, this one says Glow, this one says Blush, and then on the bottom, I don't have my glasses, so bear with me. On the bottom, it says, this one is a Duo Glow, and this one is, if I can see it, this is, I think, the Glow Intense. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the cream on. I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna use this one. Now I'm gonna start off with this, the blush, and then I'm gonna put the Glow over top. I'm not sure if I should use a stippling brush or if I should use my blush brush, but I'm gonna go ahead still with my blush brush from the Murphy x Jaclyn Hill collection, and I'm gonna start off with this beautiful shade right here. It's like a beautiful wine burgundy shade, and it is cream. Oh, but quite a bit came off, and I'm just gonna start putting that, tapping that on my cheek. It's really pretty. Wow, that's gorgeous. I'm not gonna put any more. This is a beautiful color, very flattering on dark skin. Now over top, I'm gonna put the Glow, but for this, I think I'm gonna use my fingers. Just gonna go in, and it's nice and creamy, and I'm just gonna put this one more along like my cheekbone. This is so pretty. Look at that. Very, very nice. And next I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I think this is the Glow Extreme, is it? This is the Duo Glow, that's the Glow Extreme. I put a little bit of the Glow Extreme. I'm gonna use my stippling brush from MAC. Oh wow, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What a beautiful palette. I am loving this. So beautiful. Look at that. So before I go in with the dual glow, I'm gonna set my face because I like to set my face before I put on like highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe setting spray. Alright, so I'm gonna use my highlighter brush from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill collection. And I'm gonna go in with the dual glow right here. It's like a beautiful peachy color. Let's see how that looks. How pretty. This is so beautiful. Wow. I'm so happy with this palette right now. It's everything I thought it would be. I'm gonna do the same for this side as well. This is so gorgeous. Beautiful. And this peach color right here, very, very flattering for deeper skin tones. And I think if you have a deeper skin tone like me, you can be a lot more liberal with every shade in this palette. This is so good. As soon as I saw it though, I just knew it would look amazing on deep skin. This color is so pretty. Look at that color. It's like a beautiful peach gold color. I'm gonna put some on the tip of my nose. Right here and here. Love is not always kind. Alright guys, so this is the palette on with all 4 colors and I love it. This is going to be amazing for the spring, summer. I think it's so pretty. I think it's worth the $55 because like I said, it's like 13 something a piece for the 4 shades that's in here. It fits like in the palm of your hand. It's easy to carry, it's travel friendly. I mean, you can walk around with this and you can have blush and highlighter. You don't have to use all the shades all at once. I did this obviously because I wanted to demo it. I'm going to use all at once. I don't mind. But I can see using this shade alone, the cream base, and just putting these 2 over top, or just using this shade and putting this, or just using the cream base with this. I probably will experiment with it like that. But I know for me personally, most of the time, I'm going to use all 4 shades because I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Look at that. I think all the shades are so flattering for deeper skin tones, and I'm a huge Natasha Denona fan. I think she makes fantastic products, and this is no different. Okay guys, so this was just a quick little demo for you to see this palette on deeper skin, just in case you were thinking of buying it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you again in my next video. Take care guys.